Most people have the misconception that dyslexics wrongly interpret the phonemes of words, resulting in the dyslexic patient writing a word backwards. In reality, this only happens with 10% of dyslexics. The majority of dyslexics have a defect in the visual word form area that causes them to attribute phoneme sequences to a wrong word, i.e., when presented with capitalist, a dyslexic would say communist. These mistakes decrease the more familiar the dyslexic becomes with the word. This program aims to help dyslexics in real time, alerting the user of when he or she misreads a word and adding it to a library of vocabulary words needed to practice. A user may enter flashcard mode at any time and read aloud the words to practice them. English phonetic translations are provided as dyslexics often find the translations easier to parse. In this demo, we will pretend a user has already misread a few words. First, I will demo the play pause feature. I'm going to open up a text file and begin playing it. I can press Ctrl S to stop playing at any time.
Hello. My name is Jeffrey. I
Now it's paused.
can read this text perfectly because I am not dyslexic.
So now it's finished and I can start playing again. But now I will show the voice recognition feature over the same sentences. I will press Ctrl L partway through to show that I can start and stop voice recognition at any point. I can also recognize either one word or sentences or any group of words. Hello. My name is Jeffrey. I can read this text perfectly because I am not dyslexic. In that example, I read every word correctly. However, if I had misread a word, the text would change from read and to read, and the misread word would be added to vocabulary. I will press Ctrl N to make a new session and open up another example. Because I am dyslexic, I cannot read the following word: apple. Now notice how carrot was highlighted in red. It was added to current vocabulary with its phonetic translation and the attempts ratio. For another demonstration of this feature, I will type directly into the text box, press Ctrl New to clear it. I will write, my name is Jeff. But instead of saying my name is Jeff, I will say my car is John. My car is John. Now notice how both name and Jeff were highlighted in red and added to current vocabulary. At any time, the user can press Ctrl H while a word is highlighted and have the computer read that word aloud and add it to current vocabulary. Let's see a demonstration of this. highlight apple, press Control H,
apple,
and see it's added to current vocabulary. Highlight apple,
apple,
and the computer says, sorry, I do not have a phonetic translation. Let's not add that. Now I will demonstrate the flashcard feature. For a user to have successfully understood a word, they have to have made at least 4 attempts with a 75% success rate. We'll see that demonstrated with money. So let's select some flashcards to go to the flashcard panel. And select Go to Flashcards. So with this window, the user can press a question mark at any time,
the word you want to pronounce is money,
and the phonetic translation will appear, as well as having the computer read aloud the word. The user can navigate through the entire selected dictionary, and at any time can press Control L and test their knowledge of the word. Let's demonstrate that with computer. Computer.
you are correct.
So we are given feedback on if we say the word correctly, and the highlighted word turns to green, and the success ratio increases. Now let's see that the feedback given when someone has misread the word. Apple.
You said apple but should have said carrot.
So again, the word turns to red, and the computer gives us feedback saying the word we said and what we should have said. And in this case, the ratio of success decreases. Now let's navigate to money and successfully read that word. Money.
You are correct.
Now let's see what happens when we close flashcards. And the computer tells us, congratulations, you've learned the following words, money, and money is removed from our flashcard stack. Now to save that data, we say save to flashcards. And voila, next time you open the Reading for Dyslexics, you'll have updated vocabulary dictionary. Thanks for watching.